To find and use free sound effects on CapCut, on the left sidebar, click on Audio, click on Sound Effects. Under Sound Effect, look for the category you want. Go ahead and scroll down until you find the category you want. Let's say you want to go for funny. If you know the name of the sound effect you want, go ahead and enter it here on the search bar. Otherwise, scroll down until you find what you want. The sound effects that have this diamond sign are only available for premium users. If you're not a premium user, go ahead and click on these ones without the diamond sign on them. You can just click on this download button here. Now, if you want to add this, go ahead and click on this plus icon, or you can simply add it to favorite by clicking on this star icon here. If you found this useful, consider subscribing and liking the video.